A bird on a wire, just Mansin Humanity, the third in the wild.
Just stands in a willow tree. See calamity, the end of humanity.
Humanity.
Gradually, we're in a big bang type tragedy. We gotta wait and see what's gonna happen. Places he can be your friend or a foe. Understand where you stand with both. Let the world know. But most of all, make sure you do understand your reaction is what makes you do or breaks you, bruh. Mine broke me, now I'm broken. Old and beat up, what? Pick your fucking feet up. Don't become a fetus milkshake. Can't the slug out of bed, shake the shit out your head. Feel on the red, feel like a dad. For real though, if this was a dream, yo, I peed the bed. Now I shit it instead. Now I eat my fucking bed shits.
Can't wait to be dead. Except Sarah can bounce. These are the times to try men's soul.
And I'm a bitch, I'm out. Yeah. Time said try men's souls and I'm out. Fucking poke a bitch with my trident pole. Three-headed vanilla cock, snake rattle and roll. Toxic venomous spit, fucking super copper. Take a deuce on his lid. It's long live anyone who was there first. Cause if someone stole your land, wouldn't you feel cursed? Drones perched on a cliffside like the eagle that resembles the villainous grin of them icicles. American spotted crackers born bad from the get-go. Keep your fucking sodium cracking the Bisco flow. I'm done with all that shit in your whack disco. You can rape and steal every culture and claim it's yours, but we still see the truth beyond the blinders.
Nasty sound shit. 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 Nasty sound shit.